Kozhippidi. Ingredients: paste made of 1/4 kg parboiled rice, turmeric powder and cumin seed, cardamom, cinnamon stick, peppercorn, cumin seed, ginger garlic paste, green chili, curry leaves, tomato chop, large onion sliced, red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, cumin seed powder, coconut paste, coconut oil, salt and chicken. Method of preparation: steamed bits of rice. Soak the parboiled rice for 2 hours and grind it by adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 pinches of cumin seed and by adding small amount of water. Make thick dough and then roll out thin cocoon-like bits about 1/2 inch in length. Place them on an oiled piece of plantain leaf and then steam for 10 minutes. Sprinkle water on them to avoid sticking each other. Chicken preparation: heat some coconut oil in a pan. Add cardamom, cumin seed, cinnamon and pepper. Stir well. Now add to this crushed garlic and ginger. Put some curry leaves followed by chopped onions. Stir well. Add some crushed green chili. Continue to stir. Now add salt and stir well. Put into this mix some pieces of tomato. Next, add powdered turmeric, red chili, coriander and cumin seed. Stir the ingredients well. Into this, add pieces of boneless chicken and mix them well. You may now add some salt and the required amount of water. Leave it to cook for some more time. Take out the steamed rice bits and sprinkle some water. Now it is time to check the chicken preparation. Add some coconut paste and stir well. Allow some time for the chicken preparation to get well cooked. You may add some garam masala. Stir gently and add the steamed rice bits. Serve the dish hot and savor its unique flavor.